Okay, so as you recall that we are solving the questions, let's move to the next question. Question number 81 says, which P3O capability is the most likely to result in being able to stop inappropriate programs? Okay, so it is kind of when we do the project assessment very preliminary, we can do that is there proper business case justifiable to start the project or not, whether we need to invest organizational resources in that project or not. Accordingly, what would be that, how, what are the parameters that it's aligned with strategic objective or not? So these are the things. If we, let's check, first option A says reduction in the resource cost, that should not be the criteria for P3O to stop the project. Reduction in overheads dealing with conflicts resources, that should not also be. Increase the ability to bundle related requests for change for program. Ongoing alignment of program with strategic objectives and target, that is the main thing. So you stop the funding of the project which is not aligned with your strategic objectives also. D seems to be most correct answer here. Yeah, that is. So, and the rationale, I keep it up to you. You can pause and read the rationale for your understanding. Question number 82 says, which uses of P3O services for the most likely to be needed reassurance that change initiative will be delivered with the minimum disruption to the operational plans. So as I told you that P3O is, this is your change initiative, this is your business as usual, and this is your change new project. So whatever the earning you are getting, you are investing in the new change, and then it will become operational as usual once the capability realized. So which stakeholder should not get minimum disturbance? So some stakeholder operating in BAU should not get that ongoing operations should not be get disturbed. So I believe customer and user community are the one, because program head of P3O and third party suppliers, they all are working here, so that uh, might be get impacted. But customer user community, that would be the correct answer. Yes, that is. The customer user community needs to be reassured that the change will happen with at least disruption and business as usual. Okay. Question number 83 says, which of the following key performance indicator evidence the performance improvement delivered to the P3O? Option 1 says increase the program and project success rate. Option 2, improve the portfolio balance. Option 3, increase the organization resource capacity. And option 4, enhance the contribution to the benefit realization plan. Out of, I believe, option 3, that increase the organization resource capacity, is not the KPI of a P3O. Okay, that is your HR job, that how to increase the capability of the resources. So I believe option 1, 2 and 4 seems to be correct. Out of the given option C have 1, 2 and 4. So you can discard the option 3. So here option 3 is there, here option 3 is there, here option 3 is there. So you can discard A, B, C, A, B and D, and C is correct answer. Yes, it is. You can take a pause and read what the rationale given as per the textbook, but I will move forward for other question answer. Question number 84 says, how can P3O model improve an organization ability to deliver its strategy? By provide decision support to ensure right projects are launched. Yes, it may be. Ensure current projects are unaffected by change policy or strategy. Okay. Enable projects efficiently develop on by their own financial processes. Not really. Allow senior manager to delegate the governance responsibility. So out of all A, B, C and D, I believe A is the most correct answer, that provide decision support to ensure that right projects are launched, and that entire governance mechanism can be set accordingly. So yes, it is the correct answer, that P3O model increase an organization ability to deliver strategic by providing decision support, ensure the right projects are launched. Okay, let's read question number 85. Which of the following are governance responsibility of the P3O model? Option 1 says ensure the right level decision is taken by the right person or a group based on the right level of supporting information. Okay, it's related to governance. That seems to be correct. Option B, provide an approval at stage without offer other sign off if all issues are resolved. I believe this not be the case, because it's a decision enabling support structure, it's not taking decision. And here that from one stage to next stage, if you are moving at every stage there is certain criteria that all stakeholder needs to be sit and check. P3O cannot bypass that decision and straight away say that you should move to the next stage if there is no issue, though there will be no issue in that particular project, but if it is not strategically aligned, all stakeholder needs to take a decision. So that I believe should not be the case. When discard option 2. Equip management boards with execution report and associate option, yes, that can be. Provide appropriate rules summarizing people's process information, yes, that can be. So I believe we can check option 2 is here, option 2 is here, option 2 is here. So I believe P would be the correct answer. 1, 3 and 4. Yeah, that's the correct answer. Ensuring you can pause and read the rationale. Thank you.